These barbecue maple Hasselback Kielbasa bites will have your guests stumbling over each other for seconds. To prepare the kielbasa bites, place a piece of kielbasa in between two chopsticks and cut every 1/4 inch. Once the sausage is cut every 3 sections to create a 3/4 piece bite. Place them all in a bowl, and then let's make the sauce. In a small saucepan, combine the maple syrup, ketchup, your favorite grainy mustard, brown sugar, garlic powder, and salt. Stir everything together under low-medium heat until it starts to simmer, and then let it cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Pour a 1/3 cup of the sauce in a small container and pour the rest over the sausage bites. Toss them until they are fully coated, and then place them with a pair of tongs on top of a parchment paper covered sheet pan, making sure there is no excess sauce on the pan to prevent burning. Place them in the preheated oven, and while they are cooking, we'll prepare the sauce by combining the reserved barbecue sauce with some mayonnaise to make a beautiful dipping sauce. Halfway through cooking the kielbasa bites, flip them over so that they're nice and caramelized on all sides, and place them back into the oven until they are all beautiful and evenly caramelized. Let them cool for 5 minutes and then transfer them to a serving platter with the dipping sauce, and you're ready to enjoy. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com.